In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the One Piece Burning Blood game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you are logged in, you will end up within the store page. From here, just click on the search box, and now you can type in One Piece Burning Blood to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and you will be taken into the game page, where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you may use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just fill up your card number and expiration date, and after filling up the billing information as well, you may click on Continue to complete your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library. You can then select your install location and start the download and installation of the game. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the One Piece Burning Blood game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the One Piece Burning Blood game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.